Being arrested for a DWI is stressful and confusing. Unfortunately, many people make mistakes in the aftermath of their arrest that can worsen the situation. If you or a loved one has been arrested for DWI or any criminal offense, avoiding these common pitfalls can make a significant difference in your case. Myth number 1, talking too much to law enforcement. Why is this a mistake? Anything you say can and will be used against you in court. Many people try to explain themselves or think that they can talk their way out of the situation, inadvertently providing self-incriminating evidence. Instead, politely provide your name and your date of birth as required by law, but avoid answering further questions without an attorney present. Remember your right to remain silent. Mistake number 2, refusing a chemical test without understanding the consequences. Why it may be a mistake or the smart choice. Texas's implied consent law means that refusing a breath or blood test can result in an automatic license suspension for a minimum of 180 days if you don't win your ALR hearing. Refusal can also be used as evidence of guilt in court. However, if you have been drinking or consuming any drugs, refusing may be the smarter choice. Putting more people into the chain of custody for a blood specimen as a result of a blood search warrant, and adding steps that the officer has to take, which must all be done correctly, may benefit your case. Instead, while a refusal limits evidence against you, it carries penalties. If you refuse, consult an attorney immediately to navigate the consequences, which leads into mistake number 3, failing to request an ALR hearing. If you've been arrested for a DWI, you have only 15 days to request an administrative license revocation hearing or ALR hearing to contest your automatic license suspension. Missing this deadline results in an automatic suspension. Instead, contact a DWI defense attorney near you as soon as possible to ensure your hearing request is filed on time. Mistake number 4, posting about the arrest on social media. Social media posts can be used as evidence against you in a case. A seemingly harmless post or comment can contradict your defense or suggest a lack of remorse. Instead, avoid discussing an arrest or any related details online. Only discuss your case with your lawyer. You can adjust your privacy settings to limit access to your social media accounts, but it is important to note that even if you mark your account and your post private, the state can still subpoena the social media platform to obtain the posts. Mistake number 5, assuming the case can't be won. It's a mistake that many people can make. They plead guilty because they think the evidence is overwhelming. However, DWI cases often have weaknesses, such as perhaps a faulty breathalyzer result, errors in field sobriety test administration, a lack of probable cause or reasonable suspicion for the traffic stop. Instead, consult an experienced attorney who can identify flaws in the prosecution's case and help build a strong defense for you. Mistake number 6, driving on a suspended license. Driving while your license is suspended adds new charges, potentially, and penalties to your case, including fines and potential jail time. Instead, ask your attorney to help you with an occupational driver's license, which allows restricted driving for essential purposes like driving to and from work, school, the grocery store, or your place of worship. Mistake number 7, waiting too long to hire an attorney. DWI cases move quickly, and waiting too long to hire an attorney can result in missed deadlines, like requesting an ALR hearing or filing motions. Without legal guidance, you might accept an unfavorable plea deal or fail to challenge key evidence. Instead, hire an experienced criminal defense attorney near you as soon as possible. Early legal representation ensures your rights are protected and your defense is properly prepared. Bottom line, be proactive. Mistakes made after a DWI arrest can have long-lasting consequences, from license suspension to harsher penalties in court. By staying silent when you are potentially being interrogated, meeting deadlines, and securing skilled legal representation, you can minimize the impact of the arrest on your life. Good luck.